Welcome to Be the Change. Here is a very interesting news. All Rajinikanth fans don't miss the chance of using Rajini plus plus for coding purpose with his dialogues. Isn't it interesting? Yes, this is a new code language developed which is called as Rajini plus plus for programmers. All the programmers who are hardcore Rajini fans are glad to welcome the programming language inspired by superstar Rajinikanth or Talaiva is a famous for his action dialogues in South Indian cinema that always end up having houseful shows. For his popularity, thus, a programmer called Aditya Shankar has released a Rajinikanth based programming language which is called as Rajini plus plus or Rajini app for all the programming across the world. Let's dig into the new dialogue based programming language in coding world. Rajini plus plus is a Python based program language with simple and keywords taken from popular dialogues of Rajinikanth. It is a programming language that Aditya Shankar wanted to create for the iconic and respect of South Indian superstar. Python 3.8 or the later version is required for Rajini with the multiple features of programmers for using this coding. Features include math ops, unary ops, printing, variable declaration, variable access, variable manipulation and accessment, data type, logical ops, if statements, if else statements, functions with agreements, for loops, while loops, functions, and functions with returns. Math ops include SUM, SUB, MUL, DIV, and MOD, whereas urinary apps includes SUM and SUB. Rajini Plus program can be saved as .rpp files, and programmers can use commands such as Rajini run path to myprogram.rpp to run a Rajini program. Programmers can also leverage the Python package seamlessly experience with Rajini commands. The codes can be successful with Python scripts, and programmers should be careful about one point of Rajini is that it is not designed for enterprise level software developers. Rajini also is gaining popularity for offering an interactive shell to try out a multiple Rajini app commands through Rajinikanth famous dialogues. Isn't it interesting? It's highly entertaining, proud moment for all the Indian cinema lovers as well as the Indian programmers to get used to Rajini and Rajinikanth dialogues for coding purpose. Since it is completely based on Python, the tediousness and useful programming language in recent times. It is expected that Rajini will be continued to be a programming language list for a long period of time. So this is the latest happening in the terms of IT. Isn't it interesting for coders to use Rajini app? Keep watching and listening to Be the Change channel for more such updates. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. This is Jyoti Srinivas signing off.